YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a Creative Memories haul. But first, I want to say welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I greatly appreciate your viewership. And I want to say a special shout out to those who've ordered from my channel, my Creative Memories website. Thank you so much for even checking it out and looking at my products and placing an order with me. I greatly appreciate your business. And if you're looking to be an advisor, please let me know. I would love to have you on my team. Or if you're looking to order some product and you have questions about anything, let me know as well. I am most definitely here to answer those questions. So I'm going to show you my haul. And I'll have another one in a couple days because my order kind of got split because I had some customized items, and so that's coming in a couple days. But anyway, this was create the best to your business. This is a business guide, so it just has some stuff that you can do to expand your business. So I earned that free, so that was nice. And these are just some cardstock. Just some cardstock, but they are cardstock that goes along with the paper collections. So what I do, well, I'll talk about it later in a different video about how I sort my papers, but these are some ones that I wanted to get to go with some of the paper packs that I already have, paper collections, and these were some coordinating cardstock. So, and I need a couple more to replenish because I've been working on some albums, even though I haven't filmed any of them yet, but I'm going to get to it. Navy, it's been so crazy at work, good crazy. We're expanding, and so I just haven't had a chance to do a lot of videos. But I've been, my crafting has been waxing and waning, but it's good. My mojo is coming back, so yay. This is Autumn Hay Shimmer, and this one, I don't know if you can see it, but it is a shimmer paper. And all these are coming in a 12 pack. And this is my favorite red Firecracker shimmer. I love that. I know it's in the paper, but hopefully you can see it. This is the white shimmer. This one is lime green. I do have some sea paper and some nautical paper stuff to go with that. And this is your regular blue. And I needed some more dark green. And and then cranberry and orange shimmer. So I did buy quite a bit of paper, but I wanted to stock up because I wanted to divide these up to go along with my collections that I had. And I had, this was also, I had a really good sale on this one because if you spend $100, you get 45 bucks off. Plus I get my discount. So this was a good, very affordable haul because I got a lot off of it. And I got the free book. So this, because I spent over $100, you get that free, and I got 45 back off. So boom. This is a micro tip pen, and this is in navy. So it is a fine tip pen. This one is a chalking pen, and this one is in blue. I've shown my white one before, and so it looks like that, and then it's going to dry, and it's going to get chalky. And you can see it's coming up there now. Coming in. So it's that blue chalk. So I have a blue chalk pen and a white chalk pen. And lastly, on this particular order, I got some punches because I am a tool girl. I love tools. And so with the 45 off, it just made it, sense to get some tools. And so this one is the Diamond Arches, and this is been out for a little bit, but I was waiting to get it, and boom, I got it. So this one is a border punch, and it attaches to the page. Diamond border punch, diamond border punch, Diamond Arches. And so decorative border punch, excuse me, I can't even read. I just cut it to this width. You can leave it attached to the page. You don't have to cut it off the page at all, but I just did for this one just so you can see it. And those little diamonds fall out, but this is the double arches, and you can use this on your layout to do whatever you want. So that is the Diamond Arches punch. And then I got the Mandala Burst punch. And that's it right there. And of course, all of our punches have the little guidelines on them, where to put them in there. And they have the image right there as well. And like on this particular punch, it has the little notches right there so you know where to punch it, which is really helpful. And then of course on the back you have that lever so that you can push it in and make it flat, which is really nice for storage. And then the last, well, sorry, let me show you this one. So this one punches out like this. This is also a border, and I just cut it to that width just so you can kind of see how it looks. But you can leave it attached to the page. You don't have to cut it off at all. You can layer. There's so many different things that you can do with the borders. You can even, you know, put borders like, not that I will put these two together, but I'm just saying you can combine two different borders together as well if you wanted to do that. And of course my paper is moving. But there's a lot of different punches that you can combine and make different combinations out of. And then the last one I got was the Masquerade one. So again, if you go to the Masquerade parties, if you dress up, if you want to, you can use this as, here it is right here. And this also could be sunglasses. It could be anything like that. So that is how that one looks. So that's the 3 punches. I got some more coming in my next order. I just love the punches. I just love all the different designs because they're so different. Yeah. And I do sell these. People ask me if they don't buy the punch. Like, I punch these out and I sell these strips of these as well if you don't want to buy the punch. But yeah, so you can hit me up if you need something like that as well for one of the punches that you see, or the punch outs from the regular punches, or the border maker cartridges, or these decorative border punches. But that is the collection that I got for this particular haul. And like I said, we had our promo. Spend $100, you get 45 off. If you spend 50, I think it was 25, I can't remember what it was. But anyway, that was a sale, so that's how I was. Got a nice little deal. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And again, hit me up if you have any questions, or if you need anything, or just let me know. Take care, and I dare you to be creative. God bless. Bye-bye.